Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a drop shadow in Photoshop. So firstly open up your Photoshop. Then for this tutorial I have taken a simple text. Now the normal way of making a drop shadow is just simply double clicking on the text layer, which will open the layer style, and then just simply click a drop shadow, make some modifications, and that's it. That's how you can make a normal drop shadow. But if you want to put more depth in your text or image, what you can do is just simply go back to the layer style and add another layer of drop shadow. Then just simply click on the checkbox, which will enable the drop shadow, and then modify that. If you didn't know, you can also hold the drop shadow by mouse just by clicking on the drop shadow over here like this, and it will move. But I would prefer to do with the sliders because they are much easier. So after making changes in the second drop shadow, make another drop shadow, enable that, again make changes. And now if you're satisfied with your drop shadow, just simply press OK, and that's it. Now it is much better than a single drop shadow. So now if you see it without a drop shadow, so this is what the text previously looked like, and this is what now it looks. Isn't that nice? So that's it. That's how you can put a drop shadow in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.